how to use Waterleaf for hypertension, and 22 health benefits of Waterleaf. Ingredients: Waterleaf. The botanical name for waterleaf is Talinum triangulare or Talinum fruticosum. It is called Gbure or Gbure in Yorùbá language, Unteoka or Inene or Mgbolodi in Igbo language, Alenyruwai in Hausa language, Ebe London in Edo language. It contains water, vitamins, lipids, and fiber, which are greatly beneficial to the human body. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acid, calcium, magnesium, soluble fibers, that is, pectin, potassium, B-carotene, proteins, dietary fibers. All these vitamins and minerals contribute to the high antioxidant value of Waterleaf. Preparation: how to prepare this herb. Get fresh leaves of Waterleaf. Wash them very thoroughly. Blend them in a blender with 2 liters of water. Filter it and store in refrigerator. Dosage: drink half a glass cup twice daily before meal. Health benefits of Waterleaf: 1. It has antioxidant properties. 2. It has medicinal properties. It supports the liver. 4. It is good in the treatment of hepatic ailments. It is recommended for pregnant women. It is blood booster. It prevents anemia. It enhances cerebral functioning. It aids easy and proper digestion. It has laxative effect. It helps to regulate hypertension. It regulates blood sugar level. It is good for diabetic patients. It regulates the cholesterol level. It prevents cancer. It is good for the management of cardiovascular diseases. Good for weight management. It aids weight loss. It promotes healthy hearts. It eliminates infections and diseases. It is good for strong bone. Eye health. It promotes proper eyesight. It supports the immune system. It is good for skin health. It is good for detoxification. It has anti-inflammatory effects in the body. Note: Waterleaf is high in oxalate. Oxalate is the cause of some kidney stones in human beings. If you are a person with history of kidney stones, calcium oxalate is what causes some kidney stones. In that case, grind the Waterleaf with Phyllanthus amarus, stone breaker leaf. Phyllanthus amarus. Phyllanthus amarus is called Alenyruwai in Yorùbá language. Some Igbo call it ubakofe, while the Asaba Igbo call it bushioro. The Umuahia Igbo call it ungu. The Hausa call it jiron tusaye, bird's millet. Phyllanthus amarus is highly medicinal. If you do not have history of kidney stones, you can grind it alone. It will do the work. Thank you very much for watching. I would like to know where you are watching from and read from you in the comment section. If you find this video very useful, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it on all social media platforms to save a life. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.